Semi-automatic servo gear pump liquid filling machine. This machine is designed and manufactured by CX Packing Machine, a professional manufacturer specializing in liquid filling, capping, and labeling machinery. It is a semi-automatic liquid filling machine using a servo motor-driven 316 stainless steel gear pump, providing precise control of filling volume and stable filling performance. The 316 stainless steel gear pump offers excellent corrosion resistance and is suitable for food, cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and light chemical liquid products. The machine supports two feeding methods: supplying material from a stainless steel hopper or self-priming directly from an external container such as a drum or tank. And it is equipped with an automatic suction function to transfer liquid into the hopper automatically. The machine is controlled by a PLC and touchscreen HMI, allowing filling volume and filling speed to be easily adjusted without mechanical adjustment. It operates in semi-automatic mode, with filling started by a foot pedal or by setting a time delay for automatic filling. A key feature of this machine is its 3-stage filling speed control within one filling cycle. The filling starts at a low speed to prevent splashing in empty containers. Switches to a higher speed during the main filling stage to improve efficiency, and slows down again at the end to ensure a clean finish without dripping or splashing. This slow filling process improves filling accuracy and overall filling quality. The machine is suitable for low to medium viscosity liquids such as cosmetic liquids, essential oils, fragrances, edible oil, sauce, syrup, and pharmaceutical or light chemical liquids, making it ideal for small to medium production, multi-product filling, and OEM applications. CX Packing Machine provides reliable and practical liquid filling solutions for customers worldwide.